Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to sort the elements of array with the help of selection sort. So let's start. Hashtag RU stream. And side by side I will tell the how the logic of the selection sort works. So first we need the user to enter the array. So int n my array name, and then one variable for using the for loop, cout, enter the uh, size of the array. Then using for loop we get the values of the array from the user. Then I also want to display the value before sorting. So before sorting, here is /t for clearing cout before selection sort. Then to perform the selection sort, we need two for loops. One for loop that it will set the variable, I am setting uh, I want the sorting to be done in the ascending order. So first of all we want to set the one value so that it will compare the next values to it. So we need a variable, let's name it minimum, and its position also pos. Then we will need two for loops. One it will checks the one first of all for one for loop it will fix the value of the minimum, and this second value it will checks it will be greater than the next value to it. Then here is the logic selections logic. First of all we will set the value of minimum. Here the value of I start from, for the first loop I start from 0 and goes until n minus 1, because in the end we will left with the one element that is already sorted. So this plus position same as index number. Next for loop j is equal to I plus 1, because it is comparing next element. J less than n, j plus plus. Let's take an example. Suppose I am taking my array like in contain 5 values, and the values are 25 and 7, 12, 9, 10. So here in the first for loop we will set the value of minimum, that is first of all I value will be 0, then the value of minimum will be 25 and position will be 0. Then in the second for loop it will check that if my minimum that is variable is greater than array j. If my variable is greater than array j, uh, then it will changes the value update the value of the minimum with the aj. Let's do it, and setting the locations equals to j, updated location to j. And first of all, it will pick the 25, then it is the minimum value, it will set the value to the minimum 25. Then it goes to the inner loop and check for I plus 1, that is it checks with the I 25 with 7. Is 25 greater than 7? Yes, it will uh, update the value of the minimum 25 to 7, and now the value of minimum will be 7. Then it again for loop will be executed, because j is incrementing with the value of 1. Then j will be 0 1 2, then j will be 2. Then it will check 7 is greater than 12, no. Check 7 is greater than 12, no. 7 is greater than 9, no. 7 is greater than 10, no. Then it will come out from this if statement and also from the for loop, and then we will swap the values with the 25 and the updated value with the 7. So temp is equals to ai with the array of uh, new location we are getting, location with the temp. And then here I am also saying cout after sorting elements are. Then let's clarify one more time. First value will be 25, then it goes to the inner loop, that is j, and checks if 25 is greater than aj. What is aj? That is 7. If 25 is greater than 7, it will update the value of minimum will be 7, and it will update also the index number. Then 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 what will happen? Now the updated value will be 7. Then it will check 7 is greater than 12, no. And 7 is greater than 9, no. 7 greater than 10, no. Then it come out from this for loop, then perform this task. Then it will swap the values with the element at initially that we are setting ai with the new minimum value that we are getting. So next values will be 7, 25, 12, 9, 10. Then after this element is sorted, then I will be incremented to 1. That is one, the value will be 25. Then 25 we will set to the minimum and checks 25 is greater than 12. Yes. Then the value of minimum will be updated to the 12 and check 12 is greater than 9. Yes. Then it is again update the value of the minimum to the 9 and checks 9 is greater than 10. No. Then it will swap the 9 with the 25. Then we will get 7, 25, 7, 9, 12, 25, 10. And this will we will get the sorted list, sorted array. Then I am also printing the sorted array. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, cout array I /t. These are elements after selection sort. Then here I have not declared the temporary variable, so done. Now we can run this program. Array selection sort sp.cpp. Now compile and run. Location. Oh, sorry, we have set the variable in position. So save it, again run it. Position. What's there? Now we will see the output of the program. Enter the size of the array 5. Enter the values of the array 25, 53, 1, 7, 24. This is before selection 12, 53, 1, 7, 24. And after selection sort 1, 7, 12, 24, 50. The selection sort is done in the ascending order. Thank you. That's the end of the program.